Hello. Welcome to Madhi Tamil Gaming. So this live is gonna be different from other gaming live streams. Uh, so in this video, we are gonna see how we can build an Instagram Reels or Instagram video downloader using an no-code tool called Flutterflow. Nibin, welcome to the stream. Nibin, for the first time users, do join my WhatsApp channel and Discord channel and Telegram channel. Link is given in description. So I have been using Flutterflow for quite some time. It's been like an awesome no-code tool as of now, which is like built on top of Flutter. Let's see how we can go from here. The concept is user gives the reel link to the app will download the Instagram reel. So this is the concept. Also, this is my first time I am trying to do the app development in my live stream. So ப்ரோ என்ன ப்ரோ ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர் மாதிரி கூப்பிட்ற? இல்லை நிபின் இது வந்து இப்போ தான் நான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ அதனால் வந்து வாஸ் லைக் எனக்கு எப்படி இதை பில்ட் பண்ணி எப்படி எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறதுன்னு தெரில. அதுதான். So for new users, I regularly stream games. Gaming is my heartbeat. So I was like personally enjoying building apps for my personal use alone. So I thought, okay, let's give it a try and start the streaming in our gaming channel itself. So some users may get confused whether this is like gaming channel or the tech channel or like the app development channel. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, here I hope you guys can able to see my screen, right? Nibine is my emotion. Yes, Nibine. So cool. Nibin, நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா we are going to build an app, Nibin. So personally I really wanted to like build this app because whenever I see an Instagram reel, it's always like a hectic process. I need to go for the Google, search for Instagram video downloader or Instagram. Yeah, it is called multi-channel. Thank you, Nibine. So I need to search for this is the problem statement. Okay, let's identify the problem statement, why I need this app, why I want to build this app, and why I want to share with you guys. So this is the problem statement. Whenever I watch some reels, some really good reels, I really want to download. Instead of like I need to bookmark, I want to download and save it in my phone itself. So for that I need to open Chrome and search for Instagram video downloader or Reels downloader. Then I need to copy the Reels link and then do blah 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 blah. All this is because Instagram natively doesn't allow users to download the Reels or videos, right? Of course they won't allow because those are the contents of other creators, right? They won't allow. Cool. Let's get started. So I'm gonna use Flutterflow for building the application. So Flutterflow is a no code or low code software where we can build apps, really cool apps. Also like it's based on Flutter. Flutter is like from Google, developed by Google as well. Using Flutter, main advantage is like we use single code base to run apps on different platforms like Android, iOS, web, Windows, Mac, Linux, anything we can do. Okay, so I already have a pro plan. Subscribe to Flutterflow. I'm gonna go very short on Flutterflow. You guys can like how I would say, like you guys can research on the Flutterflow as well. And do drop any comments related to the video or whatever you want, or you want to see build something, I can help over there as well. Do join Discord, do join my WhatsApp channel, and do join my Telegram channel as well. Let's get signed in. We are going to use Flutterflow, okay, for the app development purpose. Let's create a new project for ourselves. Okay, so they have some templates like how your app can look like, and how you want to build app. Like these are like templates. We can use the sample. Say for example, this is like I think like sniff social. It means like it's related to some pet animals, and this is like job portal, and this is like rental home search, something like that. This is like a car related app, something like that. So we are going to like create an app from scratch. Okay, so we will create a new blank project. Okay, let's how we can call our app. Let's call Insta Reel Downloader, something like that. Okay, cool. These are like initial setup when we do create a project in Flutterflow. Insta Reel in a package. We can always change in the settings how the out like how the things you want to be there in our app. So these are like some. I will choose interrelated. Let's choose something like okay, like this. Enable web. So guys who are all watching, you can do the same thing I can do as well, but this video or this stream, it's gonna take so much time, because I'm not gonna like copy someone else's work. uh, not gonna copy. Don't consider it's a copy. I'm not gonna copy. Instead, I'm going to create an app from the scratch for the real world users. You at the end of the series, that's why I have mentioned the stream as like part 1. So those who are watching new series of upcoming parts are going to come on this one. So it's going to be like really long stream as well. So it's already like the time is around like 10:30 p.m. here. So this is like we need to enable web as well, so that we can always like check instead of like every time we download the app and run in mobile. Instead of that, we can check in mobile as well. So I mean not mobile, we can check in web as well. Set up Firebase. We don't need Firebase as of now. I do have some thoughts over this, but we will skip this as of now. Okay, so this is the blank page. So this is the page we will see if we download this app right now. So this is considered, this is like a mobile device. Let me give a mobile model. So this is the mobile. As of now, our app is like kind of empty. This is how it will look like. Okay, so before going into the development right away, first we will have some mind maps. Okay, mind maps are like something really cool, that are like that will help the app development process as well. Assume that like kind of sticky notes or some the goals, like how we need to build the app and what are the component that we need to add, something like that. So we will create mind map for the same. Before that, I will also like show you Instagram reel. What is the reel that I'm going to like take as an example? This is the reel I'm going to like take it as an example. This reel is like I love it so much. The reason why I love it so much, I will play this reel. So you guys just watch it. Okay, let me re-enable. Wait, let me re-enable the sound. This is how it looks like. It's such an amazing video, and like even this video got like 4 million likes, and just guess how much views it may got. So I just want to download this video. Usually what is the process I will do? uh, I go for the reel, I choose the share option, then I copy the link, and then I go for Google. Then I will type Insta reel downloader or Insta app downloader, something like that. Then I paste over there, then download and click download, and it's so much process. I just want to simplify by creating an app for my use. So just sharing that way, just sharing the process, it will also help, it will also help for the community as well, right? Also I want subscribers plus views as well. So those who are watching and new for my Madi Tamil Gaming, do subscribe and post your comments if you have some ideas or any doubts how you want to get started, and if you want any referral, I mean like study links, I will provide the same. Okay, so what is the usual process I follow? I go to Instagram, I copy the Instagram reel, then this is the app I usually use. This app is called Snap Insta, where I copy the Instagram link. Parasitic Gamer, Talaiva, welcome to the stream. மறக்காம லைக்க போட்டுருங்க. Make sure to leave a like, buddy, Vicky. So I go for Snap Insta. I copy the URL. I mean the URL of the reel. Then I click download. So it will take some time and it will show the option to download the video. So this is the way I usually download Instagram reels whenever I see something good. But it's always like taking time, so instead of that we are going to make an app. Okay, that's the problem statement, and now we are giving a solution by making an app. Okay, let's go for our app. Mic lighta தள்ளி வைங்க. இப்போ ஓகேவா விக்கி? இஸ் இட் ஓகே நவ்? இப்போ ஓகேவா விக்கி? பாப் ஆகுது. பாப் ஆகுதா? இப்போ ஓகேவா? இஸ் இட் ஓகே விக்கி? இப்போ ஓகேவா விக்கி? சவுண்ட் லோ ஆகுது. ஆனால் அட ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க, பார்க்குறேன் என்ன இஷ்யூ ஆச்சுன்னு பார்க்குறேன்னு. ஹலோ ஹலோ ஹலோ, இப்போ ஓகேவா இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே விக்கி, இஸ் இட் ஓகே விக்கி? ஓகே கூல், வி வில் கண்டினியூ. ஸோ ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் என்னன்னு பார்த்தாச்சு. ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் என்னது? இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் ரீல்ஸ் வந்து ஐ எம் லேசி டு டவுன்லோட் அண்ட் டூ ஆல் த ஸ்டெப்ஸ், go to website and download. Instead of that, I want to give a solution by developing an app. Just giving the link, it will download. The same thing, whatever I do over here, I am going to do in an app. So this is like kind of an competitor. These guys are like so much popular in web 1, like they are like earning so much amount of money as well. So I'm creating apps for passion also, it's not my like full-time work, but I just want to give you guys and a taste of how passion can give some happiness to you as well. So we can even release the app to Play Store, App Store as well. So those are all I think it will be at the end of the series. I'm not sure how much, because usually when you go for these kind of app buildings, they will directly tell you go for this website, go for that website, do this, do that. Then at final product they will yeah, that's it, something like that. But as I really want to take it from scratch, so I add my thoughts over and over and it's gonna be getting overflowed. So I don't want to take much time. Let's go for the mind map. So this is app.mindmap.com, so where we can create mind maps. Mind maps are nothing but it's how you want to structure your app, something like that. Say for example, this is a plain page, right? I can add text, say for example like this. See, if I drag the text into there, you can able to see hello world is like been over there. Like we can like we can do something like welcome to Madi Tamil Gaming, right? So this is a text. So mind map is something like this is not needed for like app creation and all. This is like just for my reference. Then so that I can always like check back, like this kind of a sticky note how I want to structure the app. Say for example, as of now we don't have any login functionality, right? Because we just started. So how I want to like design the app, I want login. Then okay, what happens if user successfully login? Then display the user profile. I mean like yeah, home page. If user credentials fails, then display the same page again. Something like that. So let's get started. So this is a Insta Reel downloader. Okay, so Insta Reel downloader. So whenever the app gets opened, right, we will add a child node. Let's add a child node. I'm not sure we can Insta Reel downloader. Yes, it is. We will add something like child node and splash screen yet to do. Okay, splash screen is nothing but whenever you open an app, it will display some graphic animations or content related to like who produced it or from which production it is, right? Say for example, if you open WhatsApp, for first few seconds WhatsApp will display that WhatsApp icon, then it will go to the WhatsApp chat. So that is called splash screen. So we will have that splash screen in later point. So that is like a to do. Then then we will have insert child node. We will have the authentication. Okay. Authentication page, that is also yet to do. We need to like create all the pages over here. Okay, this is also like we need to do. Then we will insert, okay, it's not a sibling, we will insert a child node. If logged in, if login is success. Okay, so first this is our app. Whenever a user opens the app, a splash screen will display. Splash screen is nothing but it will display for 5 to 10 seconds. It's just like something, I mean like to give a promotion, or like it's not kind of promotion as well. It will display who produced the app, something like that. Okay, to better understand what splash screen is, it is similar to the title card for the movie. Like before the movie gets started, they will all add like from which production it is coming, something like that, right? That production name is something called the splash screen. Then we will have an authentication page. Authentication page we can use like phone number, email, something like that. Then if login is success, or we can call auth is success. Okay, okay, if login auth is success, insert child node, navigate to home page. This is also yet to do. For the same thing, we can insert the sibling. No, for not for this one, we can insert a sibling as well. If auth is fail, stays in the auth page. Okay, so this is the logic that we are trying to do in our app. So people, those who are watching my stream as of now, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to Madhi Tamil Gaming. This is gonna be a long series, and in this series I'm going to build an application for mobile, for iOS and Android, like Instagram Reels downloader, like an app to download Instagram Reels. So like if you are really interested in how I'm like getting from scratch, how I am going to like build this, do watch it from the start of the stream. I have shared so many valuable information, like what are the software I am using, then how in which way I am building the app, and what is this mind map, and like what is the competitor, and which reel I am going to like download as well. So let's focus into the one, like in when we open the app, the splash screen will display for a few seconds, then authentication page will be there. If authentication is success, then we will navigate to home page. If auth is failed, uh, it will stay in the page. Okay, let me make auth as failed. Rambo Tamil YT, hi Rambo, welcome to the stream. Make sure to leave a like, buddy. Stays in auth page. For failure, there is no chaining is needed. Then we do have the home page here. First we will like design our home page. Okay, then we will do the all other stuffs, like we will probably like go for the splash screen last, then authentication page as well as last, because we need the main page to be done first, then we can use the app and like make it usable as well, right? Okay, cool. So in navigate to home page, yet to do, right? So navigate to home page, the home page, right? We will have a like select subtree, let's see. Okay, cool. Okay, navigate to home page. We will have as insert root node. We will have this root node over. How I can drag and drop the connect to other node? No. Okay, I can drag and drop something like that. Okay, cool. Okay, now we have our home page, right? Let's use this home page. This is our home page. Let's give it a title, Insta Reel Downloader. Okay, so we have a home page Insta. This is the name of our home page, Insta Reel Downloader, right? Okay, right? So here we will have something like insert child node. We will have text field where user can paste the Insta Reel link. Insta Reel link. Then where user can paste the Insta text field, we will have a text field. Then we will have a sibling. No, it's not sibling. We will add a child node. Wait, what? Okay, I will add a sibling over here. Okay, cool. So we will have download button as well. No, we can't go ahead and download straight away. But let's see, we will have find text field. Okay, find button, clicking find will start search the search for reel. We'll start search for reel. I hope the size is okay for you guys. The mind map size is okay for you. Okay, so find button, clicking find will start searching for the reel. Okay, then this page will also have video player, this will display the video itself. This will display the reel in the app itself. Note, this is for the say for example, just imagine this. Okay, in our home page we will have a text field over here. Okay, we will have a text field over here. Then once the user copy paste there, then we will have a find button. Once the user clicks over there, we have a separate video player is here as well. So it will display something like this, like something like this, the kind of a thumbnail of the video, so that user can make sure they are downloading the actual original reel. Okay, cool. This is for the user identification of the reel. Okay, cool. Then we will have the download button as well. So oops, yeah, if reel is found, display a download button. Okay, this will be cool, right? We can display a download button if the reel is found. Okay, display a download button if the reel is found, display a download button. Upon clicking download, it will download the reel to the local storage. Cool. It's maybe like I'm not sure whether we can add a video player for the same, but let's try to see that as well. Okay, anyway we are going to, like, it's going to take a long session, right? Let's see. This is the idea, you got it right. Like, we when we open the video, I mean, like, Insta Reel downloader our app, it will display a splash screen. Then we will have an authentication page. If success, we will navigate to home page. If it is failed, it will stay in auth page, because user can try again and go to, like, again, right? Then we will have the home page, Insta Reel downloader. This is now we have there. We will have a text field, button, and video player. And if the reel is found, it will display a download button as well. Only if the download button will display only if the reel is, like, found. Upon clicking download, it will download the reel to the local storage. Sheesh, this is our, like, overall app concept. I'm not sure this is going to, like, such a huge like, going to be, like, such a huge effort, as well as, like, learning for me personally as well, Why? Because I don't know how this thing download things and all work. When you see the competitor, right? So I said, right, like I use this. If you are watching this video from the start, you know that I referred this in Snap Insta how they are working. So what how they are working is like when you go for the Snap Insta page, then you paste the Instagram reel. I'm going to play the reel once again for you guys. Just check how beautiful this reel is. This is the reel I want to download. Cool. So when you paste the link, they will have the download option. So it will be like download video. They will display. They also display an image snapshot of that particular reel. Not they. I think it's not playable. Just like that snap. Then the download video button. So here, if you able to see, they are based on PHP. So server side rendering and those things. So I'm not sure how they are like doing this in instant, because say for example insta wait insta reels download API. So see here, there are like tons of APIs are there to download insta uh, reels. If we use those, then obviously we need to like end up paying a lot, because they are all like pricing based services, software services. So all will like take a lot of amount from us. So we want to like build cheap as well as like find a easy way so that it will reduce the cost. Say for example, assume that this insta no, don't assume, this is like this site, right? Snap Insta.app. This app have a like monthly unique visitors of 40 million users. Like it's from India, it's from Africa, it's from America, it's from Australia, everywhere. So this particular site have a unique visitor of 40 to 42 million users. Imagine how much they can earn with the those much of unique visitors. Plus it's the money making side is different, but imagine how uh, how I would say, like how they need to scale up and scale down when demand is there. So there are so much thing. So for that, if we use go by like APIs, then we need to pay the amount. Then it's simple, we just like plug in the API like into our app, then we just paste the reel, it will do all the magic stuff. So we need to explore some other ways as well. So this is like rapid API is at API development platform. Okay, then we have uh, some Git repository as well. Let's see how this app works as well. Okay, cool. So I'm going to paste my Instagram reel over here, and I start click, I mean like I try to click download. Wow, nice. That too in HD. Someone like many of the people are already did this thing. Nice, he hosted in an Versal app. Cool. Cool. This is really cool. Let's go for the creator. Nice. Cool. Also, like Riyadh is the author of this app. Congrats, Riyaz. It's a really nice app that you have built. Okay, let's check others as well. Okay, Zyla Labs have their own Insta API downloader as well. So these are all like we can use if we don't find any other possible methods. Okay. 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 Cool. uh, let's go. Let's go. Okay, also guys, I have also like opened the chat gpt and bot as my coding companion or my problem solving companion as well. Of course, no, why not, we can use ais, right? So don't worry, we will get this series completed for sure, like whatever the time it takes. RS Nation, welcome to the stream, da. Make sure to leave a like, da. So now we are at like now we are at like the homepage. Let's see, let's add the necessary things. Okay, so first is first, we will add a container over to the home page. The containers width and height should be infinity. Yeah, so then we will add a container again. Oops. Okay. Okay, this is not gonna work, I think. Let's delete it. Okay, let's add okay, we want to display things like here, here and here, right? So we will add a column. So I'll do column over there. Okay, column is present over here. Then we can add elements to the column now. Before that, I think I can add one more container into the you are about to replace the widget inside of this container which already contains a column. If you don't want to replace it, okay, let's replace. Okay, this is the first container which will always have the infinite width and height. This is the second one. I'm not sure why the second one have second one have this much space in the container. Let's fix this first. Okay, we will deploy to web as well. This button, right, this will deploy to web version of this app, so we can always like go to this URL to check the current status of our app. Okay, let me add a column, column column. Then whatever the values I add over to this column will always, okay, before that we will give some padding over to the main container, I mean like the sub container. So this will be 5. We can give 10. Yeah, this is also like from up down bottom as well, 10. Yeah, now it looks good. So now we will have a column. In the column we will add text field. Yeah, it should be text field, not the text, it should be text field. Okay, we have a basic text field. Let's give padding to top and bottom as well. Okay, so in the text field we will update the label. I think we can, okay, let's update the label text over here. Okay, so it should be, we can check our, always cross check our mind map. So text field where we can paste the insta reel, paste your paste the insta paste the insta reel link here. Okay, then we will have button, right? Find button. So once the user pastes the button, I mean like paste the link, they can like click on the button to search for the reel, right? Let's yeah, find. Okay, yes, find is there. We will have padding for this as well, 5 5 and 5. Also this regarding the button, we have tons of customization over the button. So let's okay, I want the button to be expanded. I think, okay, this is the width and this is the height. So height by default they have given 40. Let's adjust the width to 50. No, it's really small size. Okay, even 50 is like maybe 100. Okay, cool. Let's go for the percentage wise. Okay, then it will like, I think 50 will like come over here and here. Cool. So 50 will like okay, we can even like crop the button padding as well. It's been like 24. We can still adjust the button padding, maybe 10. No, yes, here as well 10. I don't think much change over here. Okay, I think it's okay, it's not the padding, it's the button radius. So I can change it over here. See, you guys can able to see this, right? So this will be like straight square. Then we will have if I increase the radius, it will like, see, the radius will change. I mean, like the corner of the button will change. We have the find button as well. Then paste the install reel link is here. Then we have the video player. I'm not sure how we can like complete this app in short time. Not today, of course. By the way, uh, let's check for Instagram. Okay, no. It should be a video player. Let's add a video player over here. Okay, so this is the video player. By default, Flutterflow have like some different streams which has been selected. That's why it's displayed like that. Let's give a padding to everything we have. So the padding is like 888. We will also give the 8 over here as well. Okay, so that it will the app look uniform. Okay. Okay, let's give our Instagram reel link over here and let's see what happens. See, the video player can't recognize the video. Why? Because the video player expects .mp4 given to the video player. That's then only video player can show the, how I would say, like the video, right? uh, I think you guys got it right. Just comment me down like what are the, take note of the time where you guys have doubt. Just comment in the video. If anyone of watching is like from starting to end, I will definitely try to clear your concerns as well. Okay, we will give a padding now. The video player expects .mp4 file, but whatever we are giving is the link of the reels, right? It's not like direct .mp4 file, but this link have some web page, then the web page displays that reel. So much things are there. So video player misconfigured is obviously expected one, because we still need to do hell lot of things to make the video of the reel appear over here. It's not like uh, an easy way. Okay, let's give the padding. Okay, cool. Okay, we have a basic setup over here. User can copy the Instagram reel link, then they can like paste over here, then they can use, like there is a button, then we have video. It's just kind of a skeleton. Cool, let's deploy this to web and let's see how the app look like. So I'm pretty sure this will also like look like the same in web as well. Also we have the option over here as well, like to look on different viewports. See, this is how it will look in mobile, on iPad, or like any Android tablets. Then this is the desktop. Cool, right? See, this is the power of Flutter. So the Flutterflow is a company uses Flutter. Flutter developed by Google. Okay, so we can use single code base to deploy it to any number of devices, like whether it's Android, iOS, or Windows, Mac, or even like it support Linux too. So I'm just like mind blown by the Flutter's capability. But the task that I took is like I am really lazy to like go to Google, search for Instagram reels downloader, and then copy the reels string and like paste in this website and then do all the steps. Instead of that, I need my own app so that I can download the reels anytime. So that's how the video, I mean like the streaming idea came, and that's how you are watching this stream as well. Okay, so here we have the text field, button, and video player there. Let's see the deploy. Oh, I think app is like deployed. Let's see how app look like. So this is the URL. this is the URL where you can always check the latest app state. Let me try to paste in my channel. Yes, it is. Yes, I am going to paste it over in the live chat. So those you guys are watching in offline, I am not sure whether you can able to find this, but so in live chat you can able to see the link, right? So if you click that link, it will route to the page. Yes, it is. I will also like post video, I mean like post streaming. I will add this link to description, so you guys always can check. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, cool. So why our app look like this? It's because, let's see in desktop mode, it's because I think by default dark theme is applied. Let's go for our app settings. Let's turn off the dark theme. Yeah, see, we have the dark theme mode. Let's turn it off, and we will go for our project. Then we will republish the project to the web. Also we will run it in test mode as well. Let's try to run it in test mode. So test mode is something like giving a virtual emulator over in your desktop alone, I mean like in your browser alone. Fingers crossed. Let's see how this looks like in real, I mean like, yeah. So always check for this URL. So it will be like even in like, I'm not gonna update or take any steps in my free time. I always like try to stream this setup whenever I build, I mean like build or develop this app. So don't worry, I'm not gonna build it in like backend or build it in like non-streaming time and gonna say okay the app completed, but I will definitely like complete the app in the stream itself, not today's stream but the upcoming series. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, when viewed in desktop we have some issue over here, but on mobile it's fine. Paste the link here. Yeah, it's working as fine, working pakka even. Then we will have the find button, and then we have the loading one, because we haven't configured anything. These are just like a temporary one, right? So here let's give some action to this button. So whenever the button is clicked, let's give some action to on tap. So this is a on tap. Show informational dialog or alert, or like, yeah, informational, no, we can display on tab. We can show the snack bar. Snack bar is nothing but a toast message, says some messages. Okay, so let's like button is clicked. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, let's do an instant reload. This will instantly fetch whatever the changes we made it over here. This is like as of now we can able to see like expires in 27 minutes. This is the one of the pro feature of Flutterflow and Flutter as well, because I have activated a Flutterflow premium. That's why I'm able to see 27 minutes. I mean like 30 minutes as a limit. If you're a free user, you will get only 10 minutes. See, okay, let's see. Let me click find. Okay, see, button is clicked. You guys can able to see, right? In bottom, button is clicked. So this is how we build app. So now we need to like wireframe and do all the backend kind of things. Let's see, let's ask ChatGPT and bot. Uh, let's see how the AI bots will respond. I want to build an Instagram Reels downloader app for front end. I choose Flutterflow. Now I want to build the I want to send the reel link, and in return I should get the reel in MP4 format. How I can do this? I choose Flutterflow. Now I want to send the reel link. Okay. So I have also like I have text field to get the Insta reel. Let's ask ChatGPT and Bard. So ChatGPT is from OpenAI, Bard is from Google. Let's see how ChatGPT returns, and let's see how. Building an Instagram Reels download app involves a few steps. Keep in mind the scrapping content from few websites may violate the terms and okay. Okay, change structure. So okay. Getting the Instagram Reels link. Use the okay. Backend, create a backend server to handle the processing of Instagram Reels. Use a server-side languages like Node.js, Python, or any language you are comfortable with. Scrapper or Instagram API. You may need to extract the Reels video URL. Instagram doesn't provide a public API for this purpose, so you need to use a web scraper, because yes, yeah, scrapping might know. Okay, you can explore an official API that allows you to fetch Reels content. As of Instagram has certain restrictions. Download the reel. Once you have the Reels video URL, you use your backend to download the video. You can use like Axios Node.js or request to Python to okay. Return the video to the front end after sending the reel, converting into desired format, sending the process video to the Flutterflow app. Here is a simplified okay. So ChatGPT we have given like backend code, but anyway we are not going to use this. Remember to replace your file with the actual path where you want to save the download video. Okay, this is an example of starting where you need to adapt it based on a specific. Additionally, keep in mind the legal and ethical consideration while developing such application. Cool. Okay, let's see how Bard has responded to our request. Okay, so Bard have strictly spitted out. It says something like potential copyright, terms of service violations, and blah 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 blah. So I think Bard can't help us over here. Let's go for the GitHub version. Let's try to find how this app works. Okay, so this is like Instagram videos.virtual.app. Let me paste the no, not this one. Let me paste the reel link. Okay, let me click download. Okay, let's try to copy this link and paste it in our app. Okay, and let's see how the things video player response. Okay, okay, still okay, let's remove up to this. Oh, still it shows video player misconfigure. Okay, first let me check the link is working or not, then we will try to find. Okay, it says bad URL hash, so I need to give full. Okay, so oh, okay, fine. Let's see how they returned the values. Okay, so this is the post request and this is the payload that we are sending over here, and then this is the response we got for our request. Cool. So this is the response we got. The response contains the link IG downloader and then .mp4. Okay, let's see how we can make use of this. A website that allows you to download Instagram directly, and okay, cool. Let's try to use this website's logic. Okay, okay, let's try to call this app API and let's see if we get success. Let's go for, I think we have a separate section for API calls. Let's add a new API. Okay, call it as like get insta reel. Okay, so the URL is this one. I think URL is like go for post. Payload should be the link. Okay, okay, so this is on like request headers. I think it belongs to the content type. So we have the URL and URL method. Wait, what? Okay, so this is like the URL, and body we should okay. So I just want to like how they are sending the body, I mean like which format they are sending the body. I think it's not JSON, I believe. Let's give it as JSON. I'm not sure. No, this is not JSON. This is like pure text, I believe. No. Let's give our real link. Okay. This is going to be the payload and the headers. Okay, it's like text. So we obviously selected the right format. Congratulations, boys. But it says X component text. Let's see, we have that. No, it's X form URL encoded. We don't have that. Scheme should be like HTTPS and those things. Okay, this is going to be the body, header, content and application type. Okay, content type should be this one. Content type is plain text. Okay, cool. Then method, I think I'm not sure we can pause all this. Okay, I think we can pause the authority alone. Let's try to pause this one. Okay, cool. Okay, in body we need to like okay, here is the catch. So we need to like parameterize this body from our UI, so that we can able to what is this variable, set the name. Okay, you'll also have the option to set this from variable in UI builder. Oh, okay, cool. So this should be the Reels URL, right? So it should be string is list false, default value should be the Reels. No, let's copy the Reels link. Copy link. Okay, cool. Now let's test our API call. I'm not sure how this this thing work. Let's see. Failed to execute set request header. X HTTP request is not HTTP field header field name. Okay. failed to execute set request header on XML is not a valid HTTP header file. Okay, set request header. I think it's expecting an set request header. These are the ones. I'm not sure what is it expecting in the request header. Okay, these are the header values. So whatever the header values that is sending over here, I think we need to copy and paste it. Let me add a scheme HTTPS. Method as post. Let me save this and go for the respondent test. I think we can remove the following post scheme authority. We will save. Nice. Okay, so now we are getting something. So what we got is like 405 failure. So why we got a failure? Let's go for the call definition. So here oh, I see, it is this. Nice. We can set this variable value in our UI. Okay, so now we have the UI value, default value also is over there. We are getting 405. Why we are getting 405? Okay, we are making some mistake when we are like in the payload alone. We are making some mistake. Let's try to find that. Okay. Okay, save response and test. Okay, still the same. Okay, let's test now. Still okay, 405. So header variable is no. Some logic mistakes we are doing over here. So whatever the value we are getting over here is this one. Content length 0, content disposition inline, content type text or HTML. But what we need is content type should be like text or plain. Yeah, it's HTML1. So payload is sent as, I'm not sure about this, how the payload is being sent. So we need to like mark the correct payload, else we will always get this 405 error. Let's change it to none. No, let's save. I think we will get an error. Yes, still 405. So somehow our body doesn't send the value. Maybe JSON. Okay, let's save. Nope. It's almost sorry, it's almost 11:43 over here. I really want to test this one. I'm not sure why we are getting 405. Okay, we can add something over here. The origin and referrer. Then we will go on test. Still 405. Tararara, tararara, tararara. Ta 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 Okay, still we are getting 405. Okay, let's see how I can make use of this. Okay, I need to use this one. Like, I think, but it still shows there is no API in the call, but the endpoint needs to be like the URL. Okay, cool. Post URL. Okay, so the URL should be from the value of URL should be from still the 405 we are getting. So for those who are new watching the stream, kindly go to the starting of the stream and then do watch the entire stream. You will get a lot of good knowledge on how what is the app we are building and how we are trying to achieve that. Okay, let's test using hopscotch. Okay. So still 405 method not allowed. Okay. Okay. Okay, this should be text plain, right? Yes. Still we are getting 405. இன்னும் ஒரே இங்கிலீஷா இருக்கு. சக்தி ஃபோர்ட்நைட் விளையாடுவோமா? Okay, let's continue this development from tomorrow. So thank you for tuning into Madhi Tamil Gaming. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, we will resume the app development from tomorrow. Thank you.